and this is what kids like. Today we're talking about spring break. Spring break is a great time of year. Older kids like it, but us younger kids get left out. But here's some tips to keep your kids happy on spring break. First of all, you don't have to take a big trip. You can have fun at home. Check online for special deals in your area. We found a couple winning where we live. First was a coupon for roller skating. I have a roller skating mat. I'm still learning, but I like it. I fell down 4 times. I'm not gonna let you see that. We also found deals for our aquarium, so I went there too. I saw all kinds of fishes and stuff, and turtles, and rays, mini sharks. And I got to touch a starfish, and a pinto starfish, and this chocolate starfish. It's so cool! So when you're going to do this cool stuff, you want to remember it. That's why you need this. This is the Kodak Pixel 360. It's just 360 degrees. We tried it out, and it was really cool. You could see everything. It's a little tough to use because it doesn't have a screen. You have to use a phone. And if you're taking a trip or you're going to do something fun, you should probably check this out. So yeah, there's a lot of things you can do on spring break. Just be creative. And your kids are sure to have fun. And that's what kids like. Bye.